The very first month of the championship account is finally done. Today is January 31st, and it is the end of the month. This account started on January 1st. I actually traded 15, 16, 17, did not trade it today. So 17 total trading days. Lots of highs and lows, man. Man, the last like 3 or 4 days have been brutal. Super strong start. We're going to dive into the stats, like I said, but very strong start. It was very challenging when the leaderboard became updated, and the leaderboard started updating every day. It's a big mental battle for me. I'm super competitive, and I want to get it done, and I want to get it done now. And that drive is helpful in a lot of areas, but it's not helpful in a trading competition. And so, yeah, it's just been tough. The last couple of days have just been like, I felt like I've been in a little bit of a rut in trading, just giving back some gains. And I'm off of my P&L high for sure. And again, we're going to talk about that in a second. So let's just go ahead and dive into the stats, and I can chat more. Okay, so the market is open. FOMC is in like 5 minutes. The markets are about to go crazy, so if you're distracted, sorry. But first off, I'm currently in I'm in the 2024 championship. I'm currently in second place with 65%. This has not updated. I'm actually at 55%. So I'm just barely hanging on to second place, assuming John didn't trade or Stanley didn't trade. Maybe they both did, and I'm sitting in third, fourth, fifth. Maybe I'm off the leaderboard. There's no way to know until this updates. P&L high was 128% on the account. So just a reminder, if you didn't watch the very first video, I started the account with $10,000 total. I'm currently sitting at $15,654 total. So if you do the math, P&L high was actually $22,800. I am significantly off of that. I had a really bad Friday. You'll see it on my stats. It was my worst trading day, $5,600 down. I got married to a position, over leveraged on 2 contracts. It just was horrible. 3 strikes, I was out. It was like 3 bad trades in a row. And then this week, just getting chipped away, making stupid decisions, being not super confident in my trades, and it's kind of like a death by 1,000 cuts sort of situation. So overall, it's like a really bad 3 days. Friday, Monday, Tuesday, didn't trade today. And when you think about it that way, it's like very discouraging going into the end of the month, just to be completely transparent and candid. And the beginning of the month was so great. I ran up $10,000 to $12,000 or to $22,000, $12,000 of profit off of 1 contract trading. For the most part, I had a couple of 2 contract trades for the money, and then I went to 2 contracts and I just got absolutely slaughtered, right? And the margins are crazy high. The commissions are crazy high, which we'll talk about in just a second. And I mean, I gave myself hardly any wiggle room to the downside, because I don't want to trade micros on this, and I stand by this. If I get into a spot where I'm trading micros, I would consider the account blown. The commissions are just too high. And the commissions are really high as is, which we'll see right now. We go into my activity tab here. You can see I've taken 139 trades. Commissions are basically $13 round trip. So I've already, this month alone, I paid $1,800 in commissions, which just sucks. That's a lot. So $1,800 in commissions when my balance, like my balance is at $5,600 right now, right? Of profit. $1,800 added into that is profitable trades that have just gotten taken away from commissions. So when we go into my activity, you'll actually see that I've closed for the month $7,500, almost $7,600 worth of profitable trades, but $1,800 of that is commissions. And it's just part of the game. It sucks. It's part of it. I don't want to talk about it too much because it's discouraging, to be honest, but you throw micros into there and that number just skyrockets, which I don't want to do. So if it goes down to a spot where I don't have the margins to cover 1 mini, I still will consider the account blown and will move on with my life. Overall though, I'm having fun. It's just been a bad 3 days, but overall having fun. So profit factor 1.35. Some of the big call outs here would be win percentage 63.31. That's come down significantly. Again, big losing streak for me the last 3 days. This was sitting at like 73%, I believe, and then it's just trickled down as the sample size has gotten bigger, which makes sense. Average losing trade $420. Average winning trade $330. I want that to be a little bit lower. I'd like for my average losing trade to be around the 17 point mark. $350. 300 to 400 bucks, basically. 420 is a little much for what I typically am shooting for, especially as that winning percentage goes down. Average winning trade of 330, that's fine. I have every now and then a big runner that opens that up a little bit. You know, where I take a 1200, in this case, almost 100 points, $1,800 trade in the money, right? Which obviously opens up those. There's FOMC going on in the background right now. We can just take a second to watch that craziness happen. But those are the big stats. Average profit factor 0.78, it's not very great. So moving forward, what does next month look like for me? I think next month to me is really trying not to pay attention to the leaderboard, as well as just not over trading. I think I forgot that I don't need to trade every day on this account. In fact, it's almost beneficial to not trade every day on this account. So I'm not going to. In fact, I'm going to be, obviously I'll still be telling you when I'm trading this account on stream. I'm also going to be trading my Apex PA accounts. I have 20 of the 50K PA accounts that I'll be copy trading. And so I'll be doing that on stream some too. I don't need to trade this every single day. And I think it's better for me not to, because I'm not chasing Larry Williams' record of 11,000% or whatever. I just am doing it for fun and to try and end up on the leaderboard. If I win it, that would be really cool. But I'm not trying to chase the record. So like, trade small size, get those base hits. I started out with base hits and I was very religious about base hits, and I need to get back there. I think a lot of my, you know, just introspection and kind of journaling throughout the last couple of days has been like trying to make it back in a couple trades, which is not realistic. And like looking for these, every time I get a taste of like these like really good long open-ended trades, it makes me want to do it every time when my bread and butter is scalping. And so like, you know, focus back in, dial back into scalping. Don't feel like I need to trade this account every day. Feeling okay to trade my PA accounts on stream. And like, don't feel obligated to trade this every single day. And the commissions are crazy high. So like, if I am trading it every single day, just know that I'm going to be having an uphill battle with commissions as well. So all good takeaways, all healthy takeaways. I'm still very excited to be on the leaderboard. I've been on the leaderboard every single day that the leaderboard has been present, which is cool. And overall a successful month, 50 something % gain, but I want more, right? So we'll see if I can get more. I wanted to end this month at 100%, but it is what it is. Maybe next month will be the opportunity for that. But again, taking that pressure off of myself and just gonna trade the account. So that's the first month update. I'll be doing one of these every single month that I am in the championship. Here's some other stats that I'll let you just kind of look at as I continue to finish up this video here. You can pause and look at whatever you want there. But yeah, that's the update. If you are interested in trading PA accounts, getting funded accounts and trading those like I am, I'm trading 20 of the 50Ks, which you can copy trade on Sierra Chart very simply. You can use code TBM to get up to 80% off at checkout, off of any of the accounts, off of every account, off of any and every account. Every single month you can get up to 80% off with code TBM. It's linked up here. Just check it out. And I'll see you in the next monthly update or on the live streams, which happen every day on this channel, Monday through Friday, 8:20 a.m. Central Time. See you then.